How to plant morning glory seeds. Morning glory plants are known for their beautiful, trumpet-shaped flowers. They are so named because the flowers open up each morning as the sun rises and close up as the sun begins to set in the afternoon. Excellent climbers, morning glory plants have been known to grow more than 20 feet high in a single growing season. You can plant morning glory seeds successfully if you keep a few things in mind. Soak morning glory seed resources in a bowl of water for 24 hours before you intend to plant them. This will soften the hull and increase your chances of growing a morning glory plant from seed. Clear the area in which you want to grow your morning glory plants. Because morning glories grow up, rather than out, you only need to clear 6 to 12 inches per plant that you want to grow. Remove all grass, weeds, and stones. Loosen the soil with a shovel. Plant the seeds inch deep. Place 3 seeds in each hole, even if you want to grow just one plant. Growing morning glory seeds isn't always 100% successful, so planting more than one seed will increase your chances. Brush the soil back over the seeds, lightly covering them. Water the soil by using a watering can or with the water hose barely trickling. This will allow you to moisten the soil without washing the seeds away. Add the trellis or rods behind or above the seeds. This will give the seedlings something to vine onto when they start to grow. Keep the ground moist, but not wet. Water carefully with a watering can or tricking hose until you see the seedlings poking through the soil. This will take a couple of weeks. Pinch off all but one of the plants if more than one seed successfully grows out of the same hole to give the plant's roots room to grow.